I installed security cameras because I live alone. Not because I was paranoid, just careful. At least that's what I told myself. The first night, everything looked normal. The hallway, the kitchen, my front door. I checked the footage before bed, out of curiosity more than fear. Nothing moved. Nothing stood out. I went to sleep feeling stupid for even checking. The second night is when things changed. I woke up around 2:47 a.m. to my phone vibrating. A motion alert from my hallway camera. That alone wasn't strange. Sometimes shadows trigger it. But when I opened the app, my stomach dropped. Someone was standing in the hallway. Not walking, not moving, just standing there. Facing the camera, I sat up in bed, heart pounding, staring at the screen. The hallway light was off, so all I could see was a dark shape, tall, thin, almost blending into the walls. I held my breath, waiting for it to move. It didn't. After about 10 seconds, the feed cut back to no motion detected. I told myself it was a glitch, a shadow. Anything that made sense. I didn't leave my room that night. The next morning, I checked the footage again. The clip was gone. No recording, no alert history, like it never happened. That should have been my sign to stop checking. The third night, I stayed awake. I kept the app open, watching the camera feeds in real time. Nothing happened for hours. Around 3 a.m., my eyes were heavy, and I almost closed the app. Then the kitchen camera flickered. Just for a second. When it stabilized, something was different. A chair had been pulled out from the table. I hadn't touched it. I checked the timestamp. The footage showed the chair moving on its own, slowly sliding back like someone had just stood up. No one appeared on camera. I felt cold all over. I muted my phone and crept out of bed, my heart racing with every step toward the kitchen. I turned on the light. The chair was exactly where the footage showed it. That night, I slept with my bedroom door locked. The fourth night, I unplugged the cameras. I didn't want to see anything else. Didn't want proof. Didn't want confirmation. I told myself ignorance was better. At 3:12 a.m., my phone buzzed. Motion detected. My blood ran cold. I stared at the notification for a long time before opening it. The app loaded slowly, like it was struggling. When the feed appeared, I felt my chest tighten. The bedroom camera, the one I had unplugged, was on. I was on the screen, asleep, and standing beside my bed was that same shadow. It was closer now, so close I could see its outline clearly against the wall. I covered my mouth to stop myself from screaming. The figure leaned forward, not fast, not sudden like it was studying me. The feed cut out. I didn't sleep after that. The next day, I packed a bag and stayed at a friend's place. I didn't tell them everything, just said my apartment felt off. That night, curiosity got the better of me. I opened the app. The cameras were still active. Every room was empty, except the hallway. The shadow was there again, standing in the same spot as the first night. But this time, it was facing away from the camera, facing my bedroom. A new notification appeared at the bottom of the screen. Motion detected, bedroom. I deleted the app. I moved out a week later. Left the cameras behind. Left most of my furniture too. But sometimes, late at night, my phone buzzes for no reason. No notification, no alert, just a vibration. And every time it happens, I think about that last clip I never watched. Because part of me knows. If I open it, it'll still be there. Watching.